What's going on, guys? Saad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the title attribute. And yeah, this is the last of the HTML global attributes ever video. And because for now we don't have any more, so first what we gonna do is just go there, and here we can what we gonna do, just put something like p tag, and inside that we're gonna use abbr tag, and the title we will give is World Health Organization. Inside that what we're gonna put is WHO. Now when you hover over that, there you can see there's the full name of it. This is the way you can do it, and yeah, it's a global variable. You can use anywhere if you want, like p tab, and inside that you can put title. And now what I'm gonna do, Asad Ali. This is my full name. No, it's totally not, but yeah, it's one of the full name. So what we're gonna do, a, just put a, and when we hover over there you can see my name. So this is what we gonna do with the title. Just when you hover over there you can see the full name. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.